Hello everyone, this is Tactical 820 again. Today I'm going to do a review of my newest Seahawk helicopter. Then here is the helicopter battery, and this is the Black Hawk battery, and this is the also the Seahawk but the Coast Guard version battery, but they are the same. Let's see then before I'm going do a unbox, then I'm gonna put all the accessory together so we can have it flying out in the front of our yard. So again, this is the helicopter. Then it is very beautiful, but however, the more I look at it, the more I would like to to put out my feedback, my input to the manufacturer, which is Saying. Am I pronouncing it right? But Saying, as a RC helicopter enthusiast, I would like to have, if in the future, if you make a professional version, upgraded version, whatever, then I would like to ask to make the windshield clear, look clear, not black, the real one. Then up here kind of like green color. Then the windshield on the side of the doors supposed to be clear. Okay, then the navigation lights supposed to be flashing. So, red, green, green, red. The beacon up here or whatever is supposed to be flashing. Look like real. Okay. Then talking about the landing gear. The way I look at right now, the landing gear as of right now, it is very flimsy and it is easy to break. Okay. So I would like to ask to make it more solid landing gear instead of plastic and some of the screw over here. Then also you have a weapon, all that accessory right here look like a rocket launcher, refueling tube, the missile launcher part. And if you make an upgraded version, then I would like to make it look like RC tank. Like you have the option, when you fire the missile, it's supposed to be flashing and the smoke coming out of the pot right here. So I know it is a lot of things to ask, but however, this is my feedback. Then talking about the battery, since the battery over here, it had a locking tabs over here, the locking tab, two locking tab right here. Then it's supposed to be inserted, and I crashed my helicopter, the other helicopter, because I didn't latch it properly. The locking tab right here. So if you could can we have just insert the battery, then do a wireless charging the helicopter instead of remove it in and out, keep doing it. Just make it wireless charger for the battery. Okay, so we just sit the helicopter on a wireless charger, look like the cell phone, so just have it automatically charge. So that's some of my recommendation. And let me okay, so this is the battery for the Seahawk. Okay, so making sure all the tab. Let me turn it on. Okay, so it turned on, it all green right here. So see, if this navigation lights and the beacon lights up here, it flashing, look like real helicopter, and it's more authentic, and I think a lot of people would love it, would buy it, more product from you. Yep. So okay, so let me turn it off and put in the other battery belong to other helicopter. I think it are the same. It is 3 years and 1350 more, and this is from U.S. Coast Guard helicopter. But let me see. Yep, it locking properly. Let me see. It work. Yep, it does work. It is interchangeable, so it does work. Okay. Let me turn it off. See it work properly. This is a Coast Guard helicopter. Yep. Then remove it out, and let me put the Black Hawk, the old version helicopter. Okay, the battery came with it. Let me see. Fit perfectly. Yeah. The locking tab together. Let me see. Oh, this battery. But however, like, you know, this battery I know is, it does, let me see. It doesn't work because I didn't charge it. But however, it also, like, you know, locking properly. So if you have the other active battery, you don't have to buy anymore. You could use the other battery. But however, it fit properly. Okay. So let's go around and let me try to install the tube, you know, the refueling tube right here. So let me see how I'm gonna put it on without breaking it. Yeah, let me see. I think I just push it in. Yep, it's in like this. Then does it come with a screw? Okay, so let me have a screw and let me install this. Okay. It comes with a bunch of screws, extra screws, and it comes with a Phillips head screwdriver. So let me see. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in. Let me screw the thing. It is so far look good, look very good. Yeah, I wish the navigation light is working, like flashing. I mean, okay, outstanding. Look at the refueling tube, look good. Now, the rocket launcher and the pot. How do you insert it? Oh, okay. So I have a locking tab right here. All you do is just, I think that, you know, that you gonna lock it. Let me see. Okay, the helicopter right here. The missile launcher. It doesn't have a instruction for how to insert. I mean, let me take a look. Okay. Okay. That's how it goes. Okay. So all you do is just put a little pressure. Yep. Put a little pressure. The only Yep. Then a minigun. See the minigun. Is that the same thing? Okay, so that's it. This is the helicopter. Okay, and this is the remote control. Using remote control. Okay, so anyway, let me insert the battery. Making sure it is locking properly. And it have a locking tab right here, making sure it click properly, because if you don't do it properly and it not locking properly, and when the helicopter, like, you know, like spinning its rotor blades, then the battery start, like, you know, pop out. Okay. Oh, then I have also the light. Okay, this is cool. It came with it. So let me see how the light is. That how the light install. Okay. Let me see where the flat surface at. Okay, the flat surface is right here. Okay, the light gonna be also okay. Outstanding. Let me see. Let me turn it on. See that? Okay, that's how the light work. See it? Okay. So this is how the helicopter is supposed to be. The rotor is supposed to be like that. Okay. Again, I wish, you know, like the navigation lights are flashing and the beacon up here are flashing. Okay. But anyways, so let me go and bring it out to the front yard, then we're gonna fly it. Okay. And thank you for viewing my video while I'm assembling the helicopter. Then please like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you.